All right, let's get to it. We about to hop straight into it.
And to be honest, if I had a chance to do it all over again, I'd do it the same way.
Ride or die, because
ride or die. What was it? Bad boys for life.
What, okay?
What's going on?
What, them boy, this your dead homie?
Ooh,
3 chains.
3 chains? What? Fuck no.
You wanna see it?
Hey, yeah, show me that shit.
Alright.
Ooh. Hey. Boy, man.
I told you.
Fuck your kite, nigga. This fuck your kite, nigga. Hey, fuck your kite, nigga. Here we go. Hey, no, we smoking on the tutu in the box.
Alright, bet.
You know that we had smoke on the Mazda. You know that we had kills of the movie.
Alright.
You know that we had caught them at the light.
Oh, these niggas talking that shit too.
You know that we had smoked the bitch that nigga for his shit.
Alright, alright, alright.
The nigga hit a fucking lick.
Alright, bet. No, say this. Hey, shout out Michael Jackson, man. Remember them 40 did me first.
Put on the Michael Jackson beat.
Here you go. We had Colin Marzier the light. 5 shots to your brain, now that fuck nigga gone. Call the dead man's too. Call that stop sign, let his ass about 2. Call the ha in the place. And we killed his ass same day, fuck nigga. Lay his ass down with the face. 5'9" nigga dead tonight. Hey, then we had called Lil Marco, bitch. I didn't think about that though. Let me brain on the motherfucking floor. Let me brain on the motherfucking floor.
Ooh, hit the move. Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah.
Then we had jumped out gang. Jumped out, we hit it there with the chicken Wayne. Then we killed Lil Wayne. Then we killed Lil Wayne. Killed Lil Wayne. Then we killed Lil Wayne.
If you in here, go ahead and like the live for me one time for the one time.
Hey, bitch.
Hit a thumbs
What up?
up.
You right, me said the house on fire.
yeah.
Now look. Fuck the world, fuck everybody. On God, don't nobody love me anyway, bro. On God. Look, everybody must get it. Everybody must feel my thrive. Everybody must feel my pain, on God. I have murder on my mind. Bro, female. Whatever the police didn't exist. Like, what if we could just be free, like, as human beings, like what we meant to be? Like, where I can hit nicks in peace, kill in peace, rob in peace, you feel me? But like, I can't do what I want to do, because they, police. But I put it like this. I ain't going to jail, nigga. First thing about it, everybody just be thinking about guns the only way to kill somebody. Man, you know how many... Oh. Yo, close.
But where your ass get all that jewelry from?
Shit, I ain't got no money, so I get them motherfuckers. Snatch all them bitches. You know what I'm saying? When nigga green know the brain and shit the club, knowing we in that bitch 40 deep every weekend. Never me and my criminal friends. And look, I don't give a damn about my future. I'm living while I'm young, bitch. That's why I'm doing what I'm doing. But listen, I'm 28. To be honest, I'm still young. But when I get older, bitch, I'm really robbing. You dig? So listen, young man. Young man. What the bum be? Oh, what are we doing? Oh, come on. Oh, hey. Bitch. Hey.
Nigga, motherfucker. This nigga get loose when he see a beat though.
Come on. Let me stop. Stop recording me.
Oh. Bro, why this nigga look like a Loki? He Loki forcing. Bro. for a second, he really, bro. Bro. Alright, let me get it together. This nigga low-key legit look like a real fat person. You know what I'm saying? He really looked fat for a second. You know what I'm saying? I gotta start this shit over. For real. Hold up.
You dig? So listen, young man. Listen, young man. What at the bumblebee? Oh, what are you doing? Oh, come on. Oh, hey. Bitch. Hey, you stole me, bitch. Big fat ass. Come on. Let me stop. Stop recording me. Fat ass. Come on. Stop.
Bro, the music.
Stop that thing.
The music, the title. The one girl who
Why you
would
keep
have
on
been
trying to be
TikTok
TikTok?
famous
Let
so
me
bad.
stop. You're doing too much. Okay, I just go to stop for fun. I'm not trying to be famous, little boy.
Oh my god.
Why you think stop looking at me like that? Damn, I don't care about TikTok. I don't.
Yo.
Can't cap. I be toxic. Stop. That's my ass bitch cause she be toxic. Now we toxic. Can't cap. I be toxic.
Bro. This nigga is stupid, bro.
Hey. Stop! Soldier. I can do better than it though. I ain't gonna post that one. I'm gonna say that for my girl. What? You won't believe?
Get it out, man.
Bro.
Here you go.
Hold up, bro. That might be, I ain't gonna cap. That might be like top 5 that I done seen Slimeball MK, my favorite, top 5 favorite, you know what I'm saying? That shit was funny as fuck, bro. Just, you know what I'm saying? Just the whole, whatever he had in his shirt, that big ass shirt, bro. I ain't gonna, let's get it, man. We buy. Let me start this one from the top.
What? You won't believe?
Get it out, man. Here you go.
Me and Tito, we walked in. Me and JoJo.
You got it.
Everybody got that one friend who always stuttering.
Shit. 1 second. Me and I'm trying to tell you. Deal with what I'm trying to tell.
But you gotta calm down. Look,
I'm
calm
bitch.
down.
Look. Alright. Bitch, you forcing me to talk fast. So when I slow it down, now you can hear my voice, right? So I ain't gotta force myself to speed talk to get your reference, do it.
I'm still laughing at the last video. I ain't gonna cap.
Man, you were just talking good when you slowed it down. Now say what you gotta say.
Are you? Exactly, I can't do it. Blah blah. Okay. Alright, so you go. Alright, so now you listen. You got. Alright, I'm talking good. You hear me like right now. Alright. So we and Dale walked in.
Hit that thumbs up if you're on the live stream. One time for the one time.
Look, you probably got to change your voice to talk normal.
I know a lot of people be coming in here for my story times. I'm gonna start reacting to some of my stories, some of other people's stories, fun fact videos, whatever you want to call them. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna start reacting to the fun fact, educational content.
Real niggas, man. These songs I'm just following my real niggas. Let go.
I want 30,000 for that chain, man. Nigga, I get
Dang, okay. But word around town, boy, they want 30K to get your chain
man.
back.
Shit. Who all saw it? Who all posted it?
Man, Say Cheese, Academics, and you on World Star.
Shit.
I done seen this one before.
Damn, I just had all the bitches, all the cars. I had a good image, like a murderer.
But now it's all over. It's over for me. I'm done. I call quits. Dude, guys, if you guys want to be a rapper, just know this lifestyle is dangerous. It's not what you want, I promise.
Pussy. Hello? Hey, I heard right around town you record. I heard right around town you want 30,000.
Man, I want 30,000 for your chain back, or you ain't getting shit. Hey, come get this shit back in blood.
Hey, he got guns.
You ain't getting shit.
Hey, while you play, I got the law enforcement right here. They got your face ID and all that. Police will get involved.
No, you got 30,000, but you ain't getting shit.
Police will be involved. Police will be involved.
Hey, we with 3G, we need 10,000 each, nigga.
Alright, babe. Alright, say less. Fuck, nigga. That's what I'm do. Put the police on their head. I don't get no fuck. If shit now I can do it, I can do it. So I don't get no damn. Shit now I did it, got away. I'm gonna do it and get away.
I don't get no damn.
Look, if I give him the money, is he gonna tell I gave him the money? Or is he gonna say, MK got it back in blood? Fuck it. I'm
Hit
getting
that
back in
thumbs
blood.
up, y'all. I appreciate y'all for
with
sliding
me?
through this thing. Hit that thumbs up
Dang,
for me,
okay.
though,
What
man.
is?
You know the dude who took your chain?
need
Yeah.
Well, he got locked up.
Damn, for real?
Yup.
Shit, man, that nigga must have been doing other shit.
Oh, you got your jury back?
Hey, yeah, got that shit back in blood on God. Pulled up 30 chopping deep. Fat.
He just got locked up, though.
Yo, get the fuck out my face. That ass.
What wrong with you, bitch?
You fed yours down too, then?
Hell nah, I ain't took mine yet.
Oh, you took your on some school to move this shit on God.
Hell nah, bitch. I been studying for mine. I'm paid.
Fuck, man, you did.
I be when you
I'm not gonna be the only one in summer
Yeah,
school on
you're
God. So
fine.
who all you know front this down with me?
Sure, nobody, bitch. I think you the only one.
Man, hell no, I ain't nowhere in the world. Well, God. Oh, this ant bed? Hey, ant bed. I'm finna go to sleep in ant bed. This shit is not fair, but yo, you playing the game with me and skip clear with me on God. Yo, hey, coming with me on God. So yo, hey, better find a way to fuck your exam and come to summer school with me on mama bed. Or we gonna have that on God. We had a real deal. Hell, smoke, yeah. Hey, I just want to let everybody know that summer school to move this year. Hey, we going up this year. We lit it. 2021 shit.
Boy, that is not cool at all.
Man, look. Woo! I don't care, man. I'm not ashamed of myself. Look, education don't define me. These exams, I ain't going to college. Oh, don't cry. All my life I've been through trials and tribulations. So me flunking 12th grade, and had to go to 12th grade 3 times, and getting 10 out of 10, going to some school 10 out of 10. Chance the rapper. Stupid ass bitch, man. Simon, hello. Hey.
What's up, babe?
I can't do this no more. I'm breaking up with you. Fuck it.
MK, if you break up with me, I'm gonna kill myself. And I gotta tell you something.
Tell me what?
I'm pregnant.
Bitch?
I gotta tell you something else.
What?
My auntie just passed away. And I gotta tell you something else.
What?
My dog just died. And I gotta tell you something else.
Why I done fucked up? Shit.
What happened, bitch? She hurt herself?
Hell no, that bitch pregnant, man. Damn.
No, bitch. She lying just because you said you gonna break up with
Hell
her.
no, bitch. You must don't know her. Bitch, Keisha. You wanna know the crazy thing about it? The last time I tried to break over with a girl, what girl she did?
What she did?
Cut off her fingers, cut off her right ear, cut off her big
This
toe.
nigga is.
Lord.
And then the motherfucker, she was pregnant again last time, but she told me that she had, you know, on her business then. I got
Hey, bro. Hey, guys, wait up.
I done definitely seen this shit too. I done seen a couple of his shits.
Hi, guys.
Hey, it's on the phone.
I ain't seen nobody come
Hey,
away.
hey, come here. No, what tell is it? Oh, hell no. What tell is it? Oh, God, tell it right here. Hey! Damn! Look, I'm not leaving until I get my fucking phone, bro.
Bro, I'm telling you, bro, he probably going to the store now.
To the store.
And he gone.
Hey, some cameras out here. There ain't no cameras. No fucking cameras. Hey, somebody call my phone. Hey, Lamar. Hey, call my phone real quick, bitch. Call that motherfucker.
I call it.
He called it. He called it. It ring. Well, you gotta call it. Get the fuck on. You call it. Call it. You call it. Call it. Hurry up, call it.
All right, hold on.
Call it.
I ain't here.
Hey, who phone that? What color that phone here?
Go slap him.
I ain't worried about it. Just know, if I catch y'all there with that pink iPhone 5, she going for
Hey, man.
Time to buy another phone, I guess. Get another one, I guess.
That voice be
At least
killing
you
me.
know where it is.
Look, I ain't friends with none of y'all. Bah, bah, bah.
Dang.
What the fuck was that?